kanay 1-on-1, 3-on-3. Daw sumuna ito ang arrangement para sakto-sakto dyan, di mo magsayang sa iyong entrance diyan. No? But before we start the D21 category, let me read the sponsors. Thank you very much to CMC Electronics Trading from Cebu, L-Star Desco Mobile, L-Star Business Incorporated. Thank you. Municipality of Dawes and SK Federation of Dawes, headed by SK Federation President Maya Roy. Thank you very much, ma'am. And also to Whirlwind, DB Audio, Broadway, Live, Babayak, USA, and GBS Audio System, Desco Record Center, Cafe Racer Bohol, L-Star Coffee and Bar, and also to was Henry C. Sembrano of Henry's Bullet and Horn. Thank you. Welcome again to Sound Expo 2024, only here, the first in Bohol. So let's go to D21 category entry music. First to perform, EGL. AGL, are you ready? Black Mamba. Okay. AGL Disco Mobile of Team Black Hawk Electronics.
EGL.
Villia Aurora del Buhoy Bohol. Honor Max Bibos Ernie Lapasaran. Samtek Bitoy. Spinner DJ Ondoy. Sound speakers Storm 6,000 watts and Avalanche 10,000 watts. Amplifiers to Sundra, Live and Challenger. Okay, diba? SB Audio, Light and Sound, Team Black Hawk again, Electronics, Address, Baybayon, Mabili Bohol, Honor Max Bibos, Jeffrey Bermante, Soundtech, James Bimante, Spinner, DJ Armos, DJ G-Boy, Sub Speakers, D51 and D18 Sub Audio Speaker. Amplifiers, Lexus, SB Audio and Broadway. Good luck, AGL Pro in 5, 4, 3, 2, 5!
EGL Disco Mobile. Powered by Black Hawk Audio Works and Electronics from Iloilo City. Basta Shaker, the best. DJ Undoy Grepo. Exclusive DJs.
Okay, thank you very much, EGL Pro again.